Hi everyone, in this video I'll be discussing things I still need to go through and fix in my Vette, along with my sun visor mishap. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car, Corvettes, and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. A friend and I took the Vette out for its first Sunday drive. We went off the beaten path and had breakfast, and then down some long stretches in the middle of the desert. We then pulled to the side of the road and took the targa top off. And the next thing you know, pieces of black plastic are falling from above, and the cover to the vanity light in the visor is just falling apart. Now the kicker is, this is my first real drive, and I know these visors were just replaced a few months ago and are brand new. And they're also a few $100s to replace. Turns out this design has a little tiny hinge made out of plastic that just snaps off, probably from the heat of the top of the car, being in Arizona. And by the end of the day of this trip, the passenger one failed too. So I get home and the vanity lights are on since there's no vanity door cover to push the off switch in. And I know these Vettes are known for their batteries draining quickly, so I'm not down with this. So I ended up pulling the lamps out of the visors to stop the drain. Otherwise, the visors are functional and I don't need to look at myself at night. Now, stuff that still needs correcting. Let's start with the stuff I've already done. We started with the headlight, hood liner, hood light, and paint correction. Things I still need to tackle are the ignition bezel, center console crack, some discoloration from a chemical or something. The subwoofers are not working, and there's a rip in the driver's seat, and also the driver's mirror is a little weird. I am also going to get special floor mats to keep the Shale 50th anniversary interior clean. So stay tuned for future videos. Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons, and have a great day.